It's recency bias, but romance, it has to be Unohana and Zaraki. Yes.
That
That shit
Mm.
was
that's not
that shit was
romance.
Yeah,
That's
Romance?
not
that's not
what
romance
yeah,
is
for
your
me.
yeah,
idea of
yeah,
That's not
romance?
yeah,
romance.
yeah. Wait, hold up. Hold up.
Oh God.
He ended it by saying, Zaraki, the only man I ever loved. You
You
telling
do
me
know
that wasn't love?
she met him when he was a child, right?
Next.
Yeah, yeah. She met him when she was a child and then stayed
You do
away.
know how mentor pupil relationships work, right? Because that's what that was.
Wait, is it not the only man she ever loved?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
All right, so like I said, please, shonen people, please take exit left, stage
Nah,
right.
yeah,
So to
y'all.
answer this
You can
question,
try. You can try.
to answer this question seriously, I bring you a beautiful romance called Kaguya-sama Love is War.